Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 17,470 miles on the odometer. We are in Sport Plus. Now, if you see any flickering on the screens here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. Alignment feels solid on this car. Steering is perfectly straight. Doesn't have any shake, shimmy, or vibration to it. The sound this car makes is incredible, and it probably doesn't translate in video. The exhaust notes are just perfect though. I love the sound of the blinker. Amazing turning radius. We're going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now, the full front clip does have PPF on it, and you also have film on the side mirrors. Here on the front right wheel, we do have some rash right there. You can see that. Now all of that is repairable. They can go through and sand that down and kind of polish it back. It won't look brand new, but it will look really good. That looks nice. Gloss black calipers here on that paint. Let's scan through the upper section while we're here. Looks amazing. Now you do have film, like I said, so you're gonna have some dirt on the edges of a couple spots. There's a little marking there. That looks like that wipes off. Good. Now this is super common on a lot of these cars, but you can see this is kind of changed color, has more of a purple hue there compared to the gloss black up here. You can get that wrapped gloss black or maybe just have it painted, but it's just that little piece. I see it on a lot of Range Rovers too. A couple scuffs on the film, looks like it's lifting, but other than that looks perfect. A-pillar looks good. Roof looks awesome, and you're going to see that purple hue here as well kind of transition into that little piece. So about right there it's more purple. We'll check that out outside too. It might enhance it or it might make it not so noticeable. We'll see. There is a chip right there, a little bit larger one. Upper section looks good. That looks clean. You're going to have little bitty impacts on that kind of wide bodied part. It's very subtle though. Door looks good. Here on this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Date code on the tires, 2023. They are Bridgestone Potenzas. Looks like S007s or a 5007. Not quite sure. Looks good. Looks good. I do see a couple little spots right there that does have film on it protecting it. You're going to have a few little impacts. Edge of that's perfect. I don't see any rock chips right there. Now on these vents, very common, but you're going to see a little bit of fading right there. A lot of the heat, it looks like it kind of discolors that metal. That's probably an easy fix to get those powder coated back. That looks really nice though. Very clean front end. Let's check out that lower splitter. Now, of course, you can't see it walking around the car, but if we get way under, we're going to look under here and see what that looks like. Now, the film is peeling on the edge, but that is protected. So far, looking really good. There we do have a little bit of rash. Now, keep in mind we have film on that, so if you peel that film away, that rash might not be as bad. But really, from about a foot off the ground, you're not going to see that. I do see a little marking on the film, and it feels like it's just on that film. Stuff like this is impossible to tell if it went through and kind of nicked the paint at all. It looks worse than it is because honestly I can't really catch that with my nails. I think something kind of just marked that film. That looks good. Nice and clean here on that wheel. That's really good looking. A-pillar looks good. You're gonna see that slight purple hue here. And then looking at this mirror, kind of forgot. That's not as bad. It looks pretty good. Still a slight discoloration compared to this, but not as purple as the other side. That wheel looks good. Those taillights look mean. Love that. Gorgeous color. Nothing to really pick apart up here. Getting down low, you got all the gloss black here. Very nice. And then checking out this interior, it is incredible. You got all the forged carbon. The pattern on that seat looks really good, and you can see it flows all the way here to the ceiling. Looks awesome. Non-smoker, smells really, really fresh in here. That is a beautiful interior. Looking at the door panel, you have the lightest little marking right there. It's just something on the surface. It might wipe off a little bit. I don't want to push too hard. Forged carbon here. Phenomenal condition. The edge of that looks good. That is a very clean panel. Kind of scan back here. This looks really, really neat though. Looking at that trim, you do have a little bitty scratch right there. That bolster is perfect. Now the seatbelt has kind of scuffed up the edge there, and you do have a little bit of wear on that piping and that little spot here. Upper section looks good. Bottom's nice and clean. You have a matte finish on the steering wheel. That still looks good. That looks good. Kind of scanning through the upper side of the dash. You have a tiny little mark there. You can see all the forged carbon. Beautiful, beautiful interior. Here on this door panel, scanning through that upper section, that leather looks good. Looking at all the forged carbon, that is amazing. Very clean. Tiny little scuff right there. Upper section looks good. Other than this little spot, that panel's perfect. Looking at the trim here, nice and clean all the way through. Carpets look good. Bolster looks good. Leather super soft. I'm not seeing any flaws on that seat at all. That is really, really nice. Headliner looks good. This side of the console, nice and clean. Underside of the glove box looks good. Upper side of the dash, from what I can tell here, is in great condition. I'll get up close here and try to scan through it. Very nice. Kind of a tight fit back here, but that looks really good.